Hey everyone, welcome back to the car updates. The 2025 X3 30e stays true to BMW's signature style, but with a few updates that keep it fresh and modern. You'll notice the classic kidney grille, though it's been slightly refined for a sleeker, more aerodynamic look. The grille is flanked by sharp LED headlights that have adaptive functionality, which means they'll automatically adjust to give you better visibility on dark or winding roads. This model also comes with 19-inch wheels as standard, though you can upgrade to larger ones if you prefer a more commanding presence. The body has clean, muscular lines that give it a sporty yet sophisticated look, and the rear is equally stylish, with LED taillights and dual exhausts that remind you this EUV is still a BMW at heart. Overall, it's a design that strikes a nice balance between elegance and athleticism, making it perfect for those who want a luxury SUV that doesn't shout for attention but still turns heads. Moving inside, the X3 30e's interior is where BMW's luxury really shines. The cabin is spacious and filled with high-quality materials, like soft leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and a dashboard that's wrapped in a soft-touch material. The seats are plush and supportive, with options for heating, cooling, and power adjustments to ensure maximum comfort. One of the highlights is the digital cockpit display, which provides all the information you need right in front of you, including speed, navigation, and battery status. There's also a large touchscreen for the infotainment system, which is powered by BMW's iDrive 8 software. It's intuitive and easy to use, with crisp graphics and fast response times, so whether you're adjusting the climate or navigating through the city, it feels effortless. And let's not forget the ambient lighting, which lets you customize the interior mood, making evening drives feel especially luxurious. Under the hood, the X3 30e combines a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with an electric motor, which together deliver 288 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque. The plug-in hybrid system is designed to offer both power and efficiency, so you can expect smooth acceleration and responsive handling. This setup allows the SUV to go from 0 to 60 mph in around 5.9 seconds, which is impressive for a family SUV. Driving the X3 30e is a true pleasure. BMW has equipped it with an adaptive suspension system that adjusts based on the road conditions, giving you a smooth ride on highways but plenty of grip and control on winding roads. The steering is precise and responsive, making it easy to maneuver, whether you're navigating tight city streets or taking on longer drives. There are also multiple driving modes like Eco Pro, Comfort, and Sport that let you customize the driving experience. If you're in the mood for a spirited drive, switch to Sport mode for a more aggressive throttle response and sharper handling. But if you're looking to save on fuel, Eco Pro mode helps by adjusting the settings to maximize efficiency. It's a versatile SUV that adapts to your driving style, and with the added benefit of the hybrid powertrain, you're getting the best of both worlds. Safety is also top-notch in the 2025 X3 30e. BMW's Active Driving Assistance Suite comes standard and includes a range of advanced safety features, like lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. There's also adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, which makes highway driving less tiring by automatically adjusting your speed to maintain a safe following distance. Parking is made easier too, thanks to front and rear parking sensors and a 360-degree camera system that gives you a clear view of the surroundings. BMW has really thought of everything, ensuring that the X3 30e not only delivers on performance and luxury, but also keeps you and your family safe on the road. In terms of unique selling points, the X3 30e's plug-in hybrid capability makes it a standout in the compact luxury SUV market. It offers a perfect combination of BMW's signature performance with the added benefit of electric driving, which is great for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing power or convenience. The all-electric range might be modest, but it's perfect for those short daily drives, giving you the chance to go green in style. And with its spacious tech-packed interior, it's a fantastic option for families who want a luxury SUV that's as practical as it is stylish. Thanks for watching our review of the 2025 BMW X3 30e. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews on the latest cars. Let us know in the comments if you'd consider the X3 30e as your next SUV, or if there's another model you're eyeing. We'll see you in the next video. Happy driving and stay eco-friendly.